What is private mortgage insurance? Sounds like something that might be beneficial for a home buyer. I mean, it kind of is because you're going to have to get it to get certain types of loans, but ultimately a PMI is actually a insurance that a borrower or a home buyer pays to a mortgage company to actually protect the mortgage company. The instances in which you get PMI or private mortgage insurance is insurance. It's insurance. Anywho, you get PMI when you're putting less than 20% down. There are a handful of scenarios where that doesn't apply, VA being one of them. But if you're getting an FHA mortgage, you're getting a conventional mortgage, and you're going to be putting less than 20% down, you are going to pay PMI. Now, here's the thing. So at the end of the day, if you're putting less than 20% down, there's a very high likelihood that you're going to be paying PMI, and it's to help protect the bank. And this is one thing I would like to comment on that. Everybody thinks I need to hit 20% so I can avoid PMI, and that's just not the case. If you go FHA, there's generally some interest rate protections there that kind of help offset to some degree, not entirely, not the majority, but it does help somewhat offset the cost of PMI. Now, if you're going conventional, if you put 3% down, PMI is going to cost very differently to you than someone putting 15% down. Based off credit, it's based off how much is put down. I wouldn't watch this video and then go, oh, I better not buy a house until I can put 20% down. That's not how that works, but it is something to keep in mind. It is going to affect your cost when you're out there browsing on Zillow and Redfin and all these other websites, and they're telling you what the estimated payments are. It's generally built into the idea that you're going to be putting 20% down. Not always, but if it does, it generally doesn't calculate for PMI. A lot of times it doesn't even do homeowners insurance or property tax. It's just principal and interest. I wouldn't let it scare you from applying for a mortgage if you don't have that. Heck, you can buy a house with down payment assistance. In other words, putting less than 3% down. And you'll see that a lot of times the mortgage payment is still affordable, but that is what PMI is. It's not homeowners insurance. It's not insurance for you, the buyer. It's actually insurance for your lender, just in case if it were to default or something like that. That's what PMI is. I'm Jonas Elbert with the Miami Valley Experience. I'm one half of Team MVE at Streetlight Realty. If you have any home buying questions, please ask us. If you're getting ready to buy a house, do us a favor, reach out, see how we might be able to help you. We do serve the entire Miami Valley. And if you're also looking to sell a home, that is something we are experienced with as well, because we do both ends. We help people buy, we help people sell. We are real estate agent. We do it all. So if you're looking to buy or sell, do us a favor, please reach out, subscribe, like, comment, whatever the algorithm's calling for.